Hello y'all, today we are at Sneakercon. Cleveland is actually day 2, but today we are looking for the best outfits in the whole place. So if you do enjoy this little segment and want to see me do more of this, we might go to Sneakercon Chicago in June, which would be amazing. Leave a like on the video and comment down below if you want to see more. Subscribe if you're new, but here the outfits are. Gang, gang.
Take a bit from the strip to the bed, make that hoe give me head, but I ain't never breaking bread with her. Niggas lame, they won't beef with the gang, tryna diss why I be in, cause they know we some breadwinners.
I get a bag, like the North Face. I get the cash now, she give me more face.
Perfect.
Yeezy, 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 just jumped over, jumpin'. Yeezy, 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 just jumped over, jumpin'. Yeezy, 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 I feel so accomplished.
Hey, plug walk. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk. Pick him up in a space coupe, I don't let my plug walk. New freak, had to cut my other little bitch off. Ooh. Let's go.
Big thanks to everyone in this video. I appreciate you guys a lot. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.